Catherine Magaña with your Savvy Minute. Today I'll give you another easy way tip for you to get savvy about your finances. Today's tip will cover, can you roll an old 401k to another 401k? This question is often asked of me. When you leave a job for another company or when you transition into retirement, you have several options to consider. An old 401k can be left with your original plan sponsor if the account balance is over their balance minimum, which is typically $5,000 or more, and depending on the company. It can also be rolled over to a traditional IRA or a Roth IRA, distributed as a lump sum cash payment, or rolled to your new employer's 401k plan if the plan accepts rollovers. A rollover occurs when you receive a distribution of cash or assets from one qualified retirement plan and contribute all or part of the distribution within 60 days to another qualified plan or traditional IRA. A rollover is not a taxable event, but is reported on the Form 1099-R. For your specific tax-related questions, please consult with your tax advisor. You can join us each week for the Savvy Minute. You can watch more of our videos at savvyup.tv, that's savvyup.tv, or you can give us a call at 760-692-5700 for your free financial checkup today. And remember, savvy up.